Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lancaster County in south-central Pennsylvania until 4 p.m. At 3:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Churchtown, moving north at 20 miles per hour. The storm has reformed several times since 3 p.m. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Holland, Adamstown, Terre Hill, Churchtown, Bowmansville, Five Pointsville, Blue Ball, and Goodville. This includes the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 287 to 295. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following county: Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Severe thunderstorm watch.